Alright, so I just got back from vacation, and while I was gone, I received my imgur Secret Santa stuff. It's kind of cool, because the guy actually messaged me while I was gone, and he asked me if I had gotten them, because he said expect 2 packages. And so I told him that as soon as I got home, I'd open them. So let's get to it. Here is the first of a small one. It's a squishy. It is a kind of like a smoosh ball or like a stress ball of a big old panda. So that's cool because my online handle is Panda Anomaly. So that makes sense. And this one, yeah, just cut it open. There is, oh, that's cute already. I think it's a sweater or a sweatshirt of some sort. Here, let me see. Oh, it's a big old sweatshirt. That's super cute. It says hug me. It's not quite my color, but I can still rock this. And this is super awesome because this is adorable. This is totally something that I would get. It's super cute. So I got a hug me sweatshirt and a squish. Thank you very much, Secret Santa. I appreciate all that you did, and I appreciate you for being very patient with me. I know this came from across the seas pretty far. My Secret Santa is based in India, but these were shipped from China, I think. But yeah, thank you so much, and have a happy holiday season. I'll catch you next time. Peace.